Hominidus Cartesianus versus Hominidus Orbitalis. Geometric visions in cosmic structuring. With ancestral drift. To begin, let us consider several questions arising from the standpoint of Hominidus Orbitalis. 1. Has it ever been observed anywhere in the cosmos or the universe that orbital systems, a central nucleus with satellites surrounding it, organize and structure themselves in a Cartesian manner, that is, with satellites aligned along coordinate axes such as x, y, or z? 2. Where the nucleus dominates and governs, as in galaxies, stars, planets, atoms, and similar systems, is it not precisely this nucleus that compels surrounding bodies to revolve and remain in orbit under a balance of centrifugal and centripetal forces? 3. If so, why should we distribute these orbital satellites along Cartesian axes? Brief clarification. Those familiar with my cosmic model are aware that it is extensive and addresses most concepts, elements, forces, and structures of the cosmos, making it impossible to fully present within a simplified cosmological overview. For this reason, I will focus here on one essential perspective in the physical study of cosmology, namely, the foundational form and conceptual framework used to analyze cosmic structures, particularly from a mathematical and geometrical standpoint. Contemporary quantum physics. In the microscopic or atomic domain, modern physics, specifically quantum physics, organizes and structures cosmic space using Cartesian coordinates, expressed as particle situation, PS, equal to function, f, of x, y, z. That is, the position of a particle, orbital, or satellite is described through Cartesian coordinates, without explicit consideration of the gravitational potential and attractive influence of the nucleus, without accounting for electromagnetic fields emitted by the nucleus in orbital form, without incorporating compensatory centripetal and centrifugal forces, and without addressing the resulting dynamics of forces and motion. Unification model. In contrast, within the unification model, the nuclear mass generates around itself a pair of energy or force fields, gravitational and magnetic, of opposing directionality, which compel the orbital system, nucleus plus fields, to rotate and thereby structure itself as follows. 1. Magnetic fields generate or structure electromagnetic orbits with positive charge distributions, which attract and capture the necessary orbitals or satellites. 2. Gravitational fields generate atomic, valence layers, which tend to capture orbitals in order to become complete and saturated. All of this occurs through the adjustment and equilibrium between centripetal forces of attraction toward the nucleus and centrifugal forces that maintain bodies in orbit, together with rotational motion around the nucleus arising from the compensation of these forces, orbital mechanics. Therefore, there are two fundamental ways to geometrically distribute the satellites that make up orbital systems. The Cartesian arrangement, along the Cartesian axis. The orbital and equatorial arrangement, in equatorial rotation. Which will be closer to reality? We'll see, friends, but for now it would be scientifically sound to consider all the ideas and possibilities offered by scientists and scholars of cosmology.